very good evening, respected judges, and to all the dignitaries present here. We, the Rainbow of Sound Music Academy, Bhoi District, will now present you a folk song titled Banlong Kinong Yalam, or To Be the Leaders, composed by our very own beautiful ma'am, DARILIN JOVITA MASHARING. This song is about youths and how to be the leaders. As youths, we should run away from every unpleasant and unwanted things, or to be the true leaders who will be able to lead others. The song was composed in the beats of Kaksing, the Lompat, Dum-Dum, Shadwad, and Masti.
saheb wat nampong ki jang serdeb hoi kêu hoi kêu lawe ka jaj ben riu kan pernai la shai shisni wale jai du jai pre da les mat ko khun kari hoi kêu hoi kêu lawe ka ba pernai ka shung te hanga happy to be yaki jing sniu yaki bat ya ki lek ker siu hoi kêu hoi kêu
Tulong makilusan mas ting man ko siya klep to o jing mas kawan yan lumayan kaya kawan ng nagla
Lalong kinong mikmat, lalong kinong yalam, lalong kinong mikmat, ya syakmat wat ijenda.
Thank you, Bleshibun Mitela.